Hello guys, welcome to Swap Creates. Today we'll see how to customize our home screen widgets. As you can see, I have added some nice looking widgets on my screen and we will see how we can customize them. First of all, we will open this website called Magnific. Here we can find some of good looking wallpapers. As you can see, we can download some wallpapers of our choices, and as you can see, I like this one on the top left. I will download it from here and we can use it for our background. You can see there are several wallpapers. All these are for free, so we will download this one. And now we will open the widget app. As you can see, I have already customized some of the widgets. These are I'm currently using, and we can add more from the right plus icon. Now tap on the recently added one and here you can customize the widget. Now tap on add photo to add a picture of your choice. I am using the scenery one. You can zoom and crop the picture as per your wish. Now you can see you have 4 different sizes of widgets. You can use them as per your wish, and you can also change the font of the text in the picture. You can also change the font style from the bottom. There are different types of fonts already given which are free for use. You can also add borders from the more option, and you can customize the thickness of the border, and the color of the border is also customizable. You can also use different type of fonts for the timer, and there is an option to show or hide the battery percentage in your widget. You can use it as your wish. Now when you are done, you can add it as set a new widget. Here you can save it and it will automatically be saved in your home page. On the top right you can see our newly created widget, and it is looking good. And you will also get many pre-made widgets for use in this app, such as timers, calendar, music player and quotes, etc. Here you can see there are several good looking widgets available for use. You can directly put them into your home screen. If you tap on the icons option on the top, you will get to see many customizable icons. You can change the background of these icons as any picture of your choice. You can crop and zoom, and you can also add multiple pictures as their background, and several apps will have different type of background. As you can see, if we keep adding multiple pictures, the background of the icons will keep changing, and you will get multiple type of icons and their background. You will get more option to customize the icons of the apps. As you can see, you also get some free widget themes in this app. You won't have to customize each widget one by one. You can simply download the whole pack and you will get several widgets at once. Let's head back to the home screen to apply the widget that we customized earlier. You can add the widget simply by adding widget and choosing from the Color Widget app. Choose any widget and we can later customize it. Now we will tap on it and edit widget. We will choose the latest widget that we customized, widget number 7. Here you can see we got the widget that we customized earlier. Now you can tap on it and drag it down to change the size. Stretch any widget to make it fit any desirable size, and it will automatically customize itself and the wallpaper in it. Thank you for watching the video. I may sound nervous because I am not very experienced in making videos, but I will eventually improve myself and make better videos. Thank you.